How to create group chat in Instagram. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Log into your account, then click on your chat located on top right. Then you'll find option on top right corner of your screen on your chat. Simply click on pencil like button on top right and you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Simply select the people you want to add in your group chat. You can also search their username by clicking on search. After that, simply click on them, add your group name on top. You can also turn on end-to-end encryption by clicking on top right corner. After you're done, simply click on create group and your group will be created like this. This is how to create group chat in Instagram. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.